Welcome back. In our last lecture, we successfully ran our first Python program. Today, we're going to cover a fundamental concept: comments. I don't recommend you to use them. A legendary programmer will not have a single comment in his code, right? A comment is a line of text that the Python interpreter completely ignores when running your program. Its purpose is to provide information. 1. Single-line comments. In Python, we create a single-line comment by starting the line with the hash symbol or #, hashtag. Notice how I can put the comment on its own line, or I can put it immediately after a line of code to explain that specific line. When you run this file, the interpreter skips everything after the hashtag and just executes the print function. Let's quickly run it again. See? The comments are strictly for us. 2. Multi-line comments, docstrings. Sometimes you need a block of text to explain a function or a complex part of your script. While Python doesn't have a specific multi-line comment syntax, we typically use docstrings for this purpose. Docstrings are strings enclosed in 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. They are often used right after a function or class definition to provide documentation. Since these strings are not assigned to a variable, the interpreter effectively ignores them, allowing them to function as multi-line comments. To recap, use the hash symbol for quick, one-line notes, and use triple quotes for longer blocks of documentation. Now that we know how to write code and note it in our next lecture 2.5, Python indentation. See you then.